Rekordbox has a really useful feature to see immediately which tracks are compatible with the tracks that are currently in your player or players. Because then you have over here on the right side of the screen a column that says key, and you can see that with the key over here, which is 6A of the current track that is playing over here, then you can see over here it colors green when it is compatible, and it doesn't color when it's not compatible. So 6A is compatible with 7A, 6A is of course compatible with 6A, but also 5A, 5A, etc. So how can you enable this feature? First, make sure that you have the right settings set. Therefore, go to File, on the left top corner on the screen, go to Preferences, then go to the third option over here, that is View, and then the first tab over here, that is Display Type. Then over here, scroll down a bit, because there you have Key Display Format. I can set this to Classic when I want to, and you can see this changes to the old key, so E major, E minor, G major, A minor, etc, etc, etc. So this option must be set to alphanumeric. Then let's scroll down even more. Then over here you have an option that says traffic light. You can set this option to same key, related key 1, 2, or 3. Same key means when I set this to same key, you can see that over here this track is 6A, that's the key, and over here it only highlights in green only tracks that are 6A in key. But I can broaden this because you can also say related key 1, and then it goes a little bit broader. But let's set this to related key 2. I can even set this to related key 3 because there are some cross references on the circle of fifths. Let me grab the circle of fifths. By the way, the official explanation of how to mix in key is on mixedinkey.com. This is the circle of fifths with all the keys over here. What you can do is, for example, on the top of here is 12B and 1B. You can mix from 12B to 1B, from 12B to 11B, or from 12B to 12A. So you can go to the right on the wheel or to the bottom of the wheel, and the same for when you're on the bottom of the wheel to the middle section of the wheel. You can go from 12A to 1A, from 12A to 12B, and from 12A to 11A. And that is related key number 2. With related key number 3, you go cross the circle of fifths. That doesn't sound as good, but it still sounds good. Let's close this settings screen for now and click therefore on the close icon over here. It could be that you don't have a key column over here, so you need to enable that. Therefore, click on one of the column headers over here, and then you get a list of all the available columns. Now I have the key column already, and you can see this by looking at this check mark over here. When I click on that, it removes. Now let's click on key again. Now it will be added. It is still possible that you don't see those traffic lights over here. You need to enable that by clicking here on player A. It could also be set to master. And then you need to click on master. So you can set different options over here, but you need to enable that over here. And you might think, well, what's the difference between player A and master? Well, it could be that you have enabled the 2-player mode on top here. And then you can choose, when you have 2 tracks in the players, then you can choose which track you can see the compatibility of. Is it we need to have 2 different tracks. Now you can choose between the master deck, so that is the deck that is giving volume right now, that you're playing right now, player A or player B, and this is the upper one is player A and the lower one is player B, and then you can select which one you want. Personally, I find the 1-player version the easiest, but make sure that this is enabled. This feature works, by the way, also in the performance mode. Then the traffic light system is also over here. Regretfully, there's so many features that are completely hidden in Rekordbox, but are so extremely useful that I've compiled a video with the 5 most important features that most DJs don't know about. You can find it in the description, but also here in the end screen.